Hi everyone. Note 7.3 are on obtaining a vehicle. This is our last set of notes that we have for the unit and actually for the semester. So if you take a look at question number 1, it says a local dealership is selling a new compact car for $17,995 plus taxes. So we have to take the taxes into consideration. The dealership offers financing at 4.9% annual interest compounded monthly over 4 years. You've saved $3,000 for down payment and you're going to finance the rest. So the first thing we want to do is find the monthly payment. So first step to find our monthly payment is to find the total cost with tax. Okay, so we know it costs $17,995, and then there's tax, and we know the tax is 13%. So I'm going to multiply this by 13%. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right here. So I'm going to take $17,995, multiply that by 13%, and I get $2,339.35. That's added on, so it's $17,995 plus $2,339.95. So when I add those together, we know that the total amount of money that is being spent or that you're going to have to pay for the car is $20,334.35. So this is how much you're going to have to pay the total cost with tax. Okay? Then once we do that, we need to find how much you're going to pay after down payment. So the payment after down payment So you know that it costs $20,334.35, but you're putting down $3,000, so whatever's left over is what you're going to finance. So I'm going to subtract $3,000 from that, and I end up getting $17,334.35. So we know this is how much is being financed. Okay, and once I do that, I'm just going to use my Tvm Solver. So step 3 is use Tvm Solver. So let's go ahead and fill in our information here. We know that our present value is going to be this amount right here, so $17,334.35. We know that the rate is going to be 4.9%. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the Tvm Solver from my website. Okay, we want to find the PMT. So those are our monthly payments. That's our unknown. That's what we want to figure out. Okay, we want to know how many periods there are. So if you look, it says that it's being financed over 4 years. And it's monthly. So we're going to say that the number of periods is 4 years with 12 periods per year. So our number of periods is going to be 48. Our future value, we want it to be 0 because we want to pay everything off. And then the last piece right here, our CPPY, is going to be monthly. So let's go ahead and fill in that information that we have here. So right here for present value, we're going to type in $17,334.35 if I remember correctly. Yep. Our rate is 4.9%. So here I'm going to type in 4.9%. Okay. Our PMT is unknown. That's what I want to figure out. So here I'm going to put a 0 for PMT. The number of periods we're going to fill in as 48. sorry, we're not going to put a 0 in for PMT. We're going to leave that blank. The number of periods is 48 periods. I want my future value to be 0, and this is happening monthly. So I'm going to figure out what my PMT is. So it's $398.41. So we can say here that since PMT equals $398.41, so we can say therefore the monthly payment is $398.41. Okay? All right, part B, what will be the total amount paid for the vehicle? Well, we know that we're paying $394 or $98.41 for 48 months. So to figure out how much that is going to be, I'm going to take 398.41 and multiply that by 48. So let's go ahead and do that. 398.41, multiply that by 48, and I end up getting $19,123.68. But we also had a down payment. So we had a down payment of $3,000. So when I add $3,000 to this right here, I can say that it's $123.68. Okay, so therefore the total amount paid for the vehicle is $22,123.68. Okay, so now we need to figure out what the total interest was that was paid. Well, we know the total amount is $22,123.68, but we also know that you were supposed to pay $20,334.35. So I can subtract those two to see how much extra I had to pay. So I'm going to subtract $20,334.35, and I get $1,789.33. So I can say here, therefore, the total interest paid is $1,789.33. Okay? All right, so now let's go ahead and take a look at question number 2. Number 2 says leasing a vehicle is basically entering into a long-term rental agreement. You drive the car, but you do not own it. To lease a vehicle, or to lease a new car selling for $24,000, a customer agrees to pay a $1,000 down payment and to make 48 monthly payments of $369. So we want to figure out the total cost of leasing the vehicle. Well, we know we're going to start by paying $1,000, and then we're going to pay $369 per month for 48 months. So we know that this is still going to be $1,000. I need to figure out what $369 per month for 48 months is, and I get $17,712. So then I'm just going to add those two amounts together, so I get $18,712. So we can say, therefore, the total cost of leasing the vehicle is $18,712. Okay? And then part B says to calculate the cost, the average cost per month over the life of the lease. Well, we know that it's going to cost a total of $18,712, and that's going to be over 48 months. So I'm going to divide this by 48 months. Okay? to find the average cost per month. So when I divide this right here by 48 months, I get $389.83, approximately. So right here we can say, therefore, the average cost per month is $389.83. Okay. All right, last question. Number 3 says a used car will cost much less than a new model of the same car. Sometimes a used car will have a shorter payback period than a loan for a new car. So this should say loan right here. A car is advertised for sale in a local newspaper for $4,500. And it says to determine the total cost of the vehicle with 13% tax. So I'm going to take $4,500 and I'm going to multiply it by 13%, or 0.13. So when I multiply 4,500 by 0.13, I end up getting $585. But that's extra money, so I have to add it on. So 4,500 plus 585 is $5,085. So we can say, therefore, the total cost with tax is $5,085. Okay? Now, I just want to make a quick note to make sure you guys understand this right here. $4,500 is 100% of the amount that you guys would have to pay. This $585 is 13%. You're adding it together, so it's 113%, which can be written as 1.13. So if I want to find a shorter way to figure this out, I can just multiply 4,500 by 1.13, and that'll give me the final amount that we need to pay, which is $5,085. Okay? And then part B says, determine the monthly payment for a $5,000 loan. We don't want to say 5,000 here. We want to say 5,085 because that's how much the car cost, at 8% interest compounded monthly for 2 years. So we know our present value is going to be 5,085. We know that our rate is 8%. We want to figure out what our monthly payment is, so that's going to be our unknown. Here, the number of periods right here, we know it's compounded monthly for 2 years, so I'm going to do 2 times 12 and I get 24 periods. Okay? We want our future value to be 0, so please don't forget this, because this I think is an important piece that people may forget. Our goal is to pay off the entire loan. And then the number of compound periods per year is 12 because it's done monthly. So let's go ahead and type in all of that information right here. So we've got $5,085, an interest rate of 8%. Our PMT is unknown. The number of periods is 24. We want our future value to be 0, and it's monthly, and I want to calculate my PMT. So it's $229.98. So we can say right here, therefore, the monthly payments or the monthly payment, I guess we could say, is $229.98. All right, hopefully you are happy that this is your last math video that you need to do for the semester. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will help you out with whatever you need. All right, good luck. Bye.